How to create a QR code for a Google Docs. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you create a QR code for your Google Docs. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open up a browser and from there you'll have to just open Google Docs. Alright, after you open Google Docs, from here you'll have to just open your document from here. Alright, after you open the document on Google Docs, you'll got such interface. So from here, at the top right corner, you'll have to click on share. Alright, so from this section, you'll have to just click on the option general access, and from here you can easily change the access of your Google Docs. And after you set it anyone with the link, you'll have to just click on the option copy link over here. Alright, once you have copied the link of your Google Docs, you'll have to click on done over here, and after you click on done, you'll have to just open a new tab, and in the source field, you'll have to search for QR code generator. Alright, after you search it, you can easily find multiple QR code generator websites. So from here, simply select one website from here. Alright, after you come on that interface, you'll have to just enter the link of that Google Docs, and after you paste that, you'll have to hit the enter. Okay, after you copy and paste that link of your Google Docs, you'll be able to easily create your QR code for that Google Docs, and simply from here you can easily click on the option download QR, and from here you can choose any one of these options like download with Google, download with Facebook, or download with your email. So simply choose one, and after you choose one, you'll be able to easily download that QR code on your system. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.